How to prepare your home for sale. If you're asking yourself what you need to do in order to get your home ready to sell, here you go. First, you're going to discuss home repairs. There may be some basic repairs and maintenance items that you haven't kept up with. So make a list and start focusing on those. For example, make sure all of the lights are functioning and replace any burned out light bulbs. Make sure gutters are secured, there are no missing shingles. It might be worth hiring a handyman to get those items taken care of. However, don't make any major repairs until you speak with a knowledgeable real estate agent. Oftentimes, repairs and updates are unnecessary. Certain updates won't increase your home value, and sometimes necessary repairs can be something that can be negotiated. Now it's time to declutter. Clean out your home. Have a yard sale. Donate items, but don't remove all of the furniture. Buyers need to be able to see the functionality of the home. Declutter your living areas. Clean off the countertops in your kitchen and bathrooms as much as possible. The more organized and decluttered your home is, the more spacious it will seem. It is also very important that you depersonalize your space. Be sure to remove all of your pictures. You want the potential buyer to be able to imagine the home as their own. And now to cleaning. Your home will need a thorough cleaning, and give special attention to your kitchen and bathrooms. Just refresh it out. It might be a good idea to have your carpets cleaned. And don't forget to focus on your home's curb appeal. Cleaning up the yard and your home exterior is just as important.